Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with another tutorial showing you guys 3 simple scarf looks that you can do on the go so that you don't have to worry about how your hair looks. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and stay tuned. Okay guys, so I started this look on twists, which I've had in for a week, and they weren't looking so good. This is why I decided to use scarves to cover it up. So I'm just starting off by tying everything back in a low ponytail or a low bun, as you see. Okay, so now I'm just spraying my hair with a bit of water, and then I have my comb and then my toothbrush for laying my edges. So I'm just combing all the baby hairs in front so that I know the parts at which I want to lay down. Okay, so I've got my Gorilla Gel, and that's what I'm using to lay down my edges. Like I've said in my previous video, that's the only thing that works for me. So I'm starting off with the front, and then it's all done now. As you can see, it's laid down. So the first one that we're going to do is the low bun scarf look. And take note, I named them all myself, so if the names are not familiar, well, that's just what I call them. So all you have to do is make sure that the scarf goes behind your ears, and then you just tightly secure it at the back, and then you have 2 ends, so you just sort of twist the ends like I'm doing in the video. Then you just wrap each around the bun that you have at the back. Okay, so now you just check to see if the placement is where you want everything to be, and voila, that's all you have to do to achieve this simple look. Okay, so on to the next one. I call this one the duku look, and if you're a Ghanaian, you know that duku means scarf. So the reason why I decided to name it this way is because it actually reminds me of how our mothers tie their scarves most of the time, but then it actually looks cute, and no matter what age you are, you can still rock this scarf look. So it's the same procedure as the other one, but then instead of wrapping the twisted ends around your bun at the back, you actually crisscross it over your head. So you pull one side on the left side of your ear, then the other one on the other side of your ear, and then you just tuck it at the back to make sure that no strings are hanging out. So that's the second one that I'm doing. Okay, so you see how easy that was, and then we're done with the second look. Okay, so with the third look, I call this one the top knot scarf look, and this is because it looks like when you put your natural hair into a top knot, but then it's actually a scarf. So with this one, all you have to do is you make sure that the scarf is really secured at the front of your head, and then you just twist the ends of the scarf. But then instead of wrapping it at the back of your head, you wrap it on top of your head. So you see me doing this in the video. So when you're okay with how the bun part is looking, you just adjust it to fit your look or how you want it to be, and that's all. So thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.